You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it.
Okay, so before I start, do I look like Cleo or no? Comment Cleo if I look like Cleo. But anyway, hey YouTube, welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, welcome back, Terry. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back as well. And if you are new, you see the red button, make it gray and subscribe to my channel because I'm almost at 500 and like you can get us there, Terry. So subscribe and follow me on my social media accounts, which will be up above floating just for you. So today, if you read the title, I'm going to be putting on a wig. So let's go back in time to the process.
Do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
So I recorded this like over 3 weeks or whatever, but anywho, so I'm going to start on neglected hair as usual, but I'm going to fix that with a quick wash. So after that, I washed my hair and I used this, and this to moisturize. I have a full video on this, so watch that if you want to see like the full process. So yeah, then I use this Cream of Nature foam and I begin to stretch my hair. And this process, like I said, I already have a video on it posted and you can watch it, but just enjoy this little snippet because I need more watch time, so I'm gonna put this in.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell.
Okay, so now that that's over, I'm just going to take out my curl formers and yeah. And release these beautiful curls that I am going to destroy in about 5 seconds. So yeah, basically all I did was put the curls in, brush them out, and my hair is looking real long. But yeah, I just brushed the curls out and I got this. So this is my hair all stretched out and like, I know I'm cute. That's enough. So now I'm going to my favorite part because I did not actually have to do my hair in this part. I asked my sister to braid my hair for me, and so this is what this clip is going to be. I am just getting my hair braided, and yeah, that's about it.
Talking to me, got me suffering in silence, can't breathe, we are not here. I don't know, you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. I don't know, you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through?
Now we are here and I'm all Cleo'd up for my wig. But before I actually start applying the wig, I am going to begin by making my edges a little bit more laid back so they won't come up from my wig because my edges have come very far down. So I'm going to get some Gatsby glue and putting that around the perimeter of my hairline to make sure that my edges are swept back. Yeah. And I also make sure to get it like on the hairs that are sticking up from my braids because obviously my hair doesn't like laying down. After I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking brush that people like to talk about, but I'm not going to get into that. And just sweep back my edges and make sure to get, I don't know what that hair is called, like above your ear, but I make sure to get that really nice and slick. Next, I'm going to be getting my scarf and just applying that to my head to just let the, you know, stuff work its way in and set my hair. Now I'm going to get my blow dryer and just, you know, put it on my scarf just to speed up the drying process and to make sure it's actually dry because I don't like when my hair like is tacky or whatever, so I like it to dry down so it can stay down longer. Then I'll let the scarf sit on for 5 minutes and I'll be right back. That is done. I am going to take off my scarf, of course. And do you see how slick back my edges look like? I'm looking like Slick Rick over here. I'm not playing those games with this wig game. I promise you I'm not. So yeah, now that that is done, I'm going to take some bobby pins and pin my hair back, like the loose ends. I cross it in the back. I didn't show you because like it's really self-explanatory. I cross it in the back and I pin it up between the lines that the braids are in. And now that that is done, I'm going to take more Got2b glue and I am going to apply that to the perimeter of my hair, but I'm not going to focus it on my edges. I'm going to focus it like a little bit above my edges where the wig will actually lay down. I apply a thick amount, not too thick, but like medium thick. I apply that and you'll see why in a minute. Then I once again take a blow dryer and just dry that down so it can be tacky. But make sure that it's not too wet. Like, yeah. Now this is the wig part. I'm just going to take my wig. And I got my wig from Afsisterwig because I had it for like almost a month. So I'm going to do a review on it because I really like it. And I feel like everyone should get this wig because like it's so easy. But anyway, I'm just going to brush it out. And then I'm going to plop her on my head. And here I'm just showing you guys like what's inside the wig. Like here's a strap thing to make it tighter and a comb to, I guess, make it more secure. So I use that and I use the comb. And it's this little thingy. I don't know what it's called, like a, but you see that too. I use that to make it tighter too. Like I attach those two thingies together and it makes it tighter and more secure. So now I'm just going to flip the wig on my head and try to put it, well not try to, put it on the Got2b glue that you have placed on your forehead. Like put it up with that, align it with that. Because that is going to be our sticky substance that keeps our wig on. And as you can see, because I put the glue on, like the lace is like sticking to my head. But we're going to do some more because, I mean, you just never have enough security in your life. And so this is me just putting the comb into the back of my braids and trying to latch that hook on that I showed you before. Like it takes so long for me to do it, but I mean, anything for a secure wig. Now I get to my favorite part. I'm going to brush the hair back so it can be out the way so I can actually work on the lace because some of it came up because I guess I didn't have enough glue down. So we're just going to fix that. And I'm going to do my edges. So I'm taking, you already guessed it, Got2b glue. And I am going to apply it under like the lace so it can get, you know, stick more or whatever. And this is always a spot where it really doesn't go down. So I gotta put more Got2b glue there and just make her act right. And I'm doing that all over the perimeter of my hair. But to be honest, like I really ignore the other side that's not really showing, like my other ear, because it has hair on it, so it really doesn't matter. But if you want to, just go off and do that part too. So now I'm going to be taking my extreme wet line and I'm going to start slaying these edges. And I'm going to take my spoolie because it makes the process so much easier. So now I'm just gonna, you know, brush down some edges. And I don't know why, but it seems like it doesn't matter how many times I put on this wig, I always have to cut more edges. I don't know why, but whatever. So I just brush it down and I get some scissors and like cut it to make my little edges. And when I'm done making them short like I like it, I just swoop it. Look at the wrist, baby. I swoop it and, you know, make edges like you do with your regular hair. Just make edges. Because not only does this make the wig look more realistic, but it also glues the hair down. Like, you know, makes it more secure. Like the frontal area more secure because it's actually hair sticking to your forehead and it makes it lay down better. But yeah, when I'm done with that, I'm going to get gossipy glue and just solidify my edges. Make sure they are okay and able to stay for the entire day. And there's me neglecting the other side of my head, but I mean, it doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to be taking my scarf once again and lying that on my edges to, you know, make everything okay and laid. Like, what lace? And I know y'all see me struggling trying to tie this thing on my head. I don't know why. I can tie it when it's just my hair down, but when I add another layer, baby, no. My hair is like, no. But big heads matter, so we're just gonna keep on going right with this video. And I let this sit on for about 10 minutes, and sometimes I use a blow dryer to stick it down more. Sometimes I don't. Like, it really doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do. But I think the blow dryer makes it stay longer. And this is the reveal, honey. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I did that. Like, you can't tell me I didn't do that. And then, like, I'm just now getting into this wig thing with, like, frontals and stuff. Like, you can't tell me I didn't do that. It's really beginner friendly because I'm a beginner and this is how I do my wigs so they can stay. Now, it's not going to stay as long as, like, if you use professional glue or whatever. I think you can use the same method. I just don't. But, I mean, it stays secure. Like, you're going to be secure, sis. And what lace? Then I asked the wig person in my family, which is my sister, and she's the one who did my wig at first. And so I was trying to, you know, do what she did. I'm going to send a picture of what she did. Like, she did that.
I did it myself. No, I did it. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how did I do?
Turn your head. It look good. I just think you should, like, did you put some makeup right here? Because the part still look black. But it look good though. Everything else look good.
Yay!
And I just got done my video, so now we can exercise. Yay!
I think I'm just gonna put them outside.
What? But if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And, like, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the transformation. Like, I did that. And follow me on my social media accounts, which will be floating above. And yeah, like, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.